Eczema is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by red, itchy, and inflamed skin that can be very uncomfortable and sometimes painful. While there is no cure for eczema, there are many treatments available that can help to manage the symptoms. One of these treatments is apple cider vinegar. In this video, we'll explore the relationship between apple cider vinegar and eczema, and whether it can be an effective treatment option. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a fermented apple juice that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions. It is made by crushing fresh apples and allowing them to ferment in a wooden barrel. During the fermentation process, natural yeast and bacteria convert the sugars in the apple juice into acetic acid, giving the vinegar its characteristic sour taste and pungent smell. Apple cider vinegar and eczema. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a natural remedy for eczema for many years. It contains acetic acid, which has antimicrobial properties and can help to kill bacteria and fungi on the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the inflammation and itching associated with eczema. In addition, apple cider vinegar can help to balance the pH levels of the skin. Eczema-prone skin tends to be more acidic than healthy skin, which can make it more vulnerable to infections and irritation. Apple cider vinegar can help to restore the natural pH balance of the skin, making it less susceptible to eczema flare-ups. How to use apple cider vinegar for eczema? There are several ways to use apple cider vinegar for eczema. Here are some of the most common methods. Topical application. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle or bowl. Apply the mixture to the affected area with a cotton ball or soft cloth. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. This can be done once or twice a day. Bath soak. Add 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. This can help to soothe itching and inflammation throughout the body. Internal consumption. Drinking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in a glass of water can help to improve the overall pH balance of the body and reduce inflammation. Tips for using apple cider vinegar for eczema. Test for allergies. Before using apple cider vinegar on your skin, it's important to test for allergies by applying a small amount to a small area of skin and waiting for 24 hours to see if there is any reaction. Dilute it. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic and can irritate the skin if used in its pure form. It's important to dilute it with water before applying it to the skin. Use the right type. It's important to use organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother when using it for eczema. This is the cloudy sediment that contains beneficial enzymes and bacteria. Avoid open wounds. Do not use apple cider vinegar on open wounds or broken skin as it can cause a burning sensation and further irritation. Consult with your doctor. If you have a severe case of eczema or are unsure whether apple cider vinegar is safe for you, it's important to consult with your doctor before using it. Conclusion. While apple cider vinegar can be an effective natural remedy for eczema, it's important to use it safely and appropriately. Topical application, bath soak, and internal consumption. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.